So for today's adventure, they said they wanted to do something fun. So we got a friend over at Project N1. It's an airsoft facility. We're gonna do some shooting. They have no clue. They probably think we're gonna go eat some kind of Filipino food or some shit. But no, we're actually doing something good. Welcome everyone to the first annual JK Hunger Games.
That's not. I don't like. What the fuck are you talking
JK
about?
probably won't survive 6 months, dude.
Look at this motherfucker, dude.
We don't have our safety.
Those are real guns.
This is the owner of Project N1 Airsoft.
Oh, yay! I have better teams.
What do you mean?
Minorities versus white people.
Who do you think's gonna win?
To be honest, my team, because Bart's never played. Bart's been in the military, but he's never played.
Joe used to airsoft weekly, so if it comes down to one-on-one, I actually put my money on Joe, so I am kind of scared.
I don't even know what the fucking teams are. I just know I'm probably gonna lose.
Probably every single one.
I don't know if you got me, bro.
I got you so good and you know it.
You got my leg.
Hey, Ricochet, the game started, I got you. I'm the fucking ghost of Cab out here, dude.
So like, this is a lethal force, like it's not real guns. But instead of coming out here and then already getting hit, just you know, so that you already, when you someone's covering for you versus coming out and then bam, like.
Somebody was over here shooting over the wall like this.
I was doing that too. I felt like I was cracking.
I could see the gun. I was like, how are they that high up?
Fucking Jack Ryan.
I had Sosa cornered. He like tucked behind the wall. I just bent my gun around. I go, bah, 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 bah.
The next one is there's going to be a dummy in the middle of the field, and then you guys have to take it to the other team's base.
So if you get hit while you're carrying, you gotta drop it and
drop it where it is, yeah.
But if the dummy gets hit, you're Gucci.
Gucci.
If you just use the shield.
Keep it shield.
Juke it out. Joe is like Seagal in there. Yeah. He doesn't let the gun stay away from his eyes.
I just was sitting like this in the corner.
I was out of ammo too. I dropped my GoPro. Who brought it? Joe. I was out of ammo and everything.
You can't stop fucking taking dubs.
Ryan Hasagawa, ladies and gentlemen. Hasagawa.
Fuck, I thought you were on my team.
Can't stop! Won't stop! Get on the fucking dub, baby! I was like, Ken, you cover this side, I'll cover with you.
And then he leaves.
It's terrifying. I feel like it's a little unfair.
I gotta be honest, man. I just want to hit somebody at this point. That's all. I feel like I have. That's the excuse I've been using. I feel like I've definitely got Steve.
Oh, you feel like you do?
Yeah. It's pretty cool, bro. I just want to make sure it's not my fault that we're losing.
I thought you did hit somebody.
I thought I did. See,
you hit?
you know that. I'm hitting people out here.
You hit Kalyne, I saw you. I saw Kalyne get hit.
I just spray and I think I hit people, but I'm not sure.
You okay?
I didn't think it was gonna be
Oh my god.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
I didn't know the floor was all slippery, so I slipped and slid to the other wall, but it worked.
Steve celebrated that like he won. And I was like, you know we won, right? He's like, oh shit, you guys did?
That felt nice. I got somebody. You see, I was talking about it earlier. Hit him. And it feels good.
I think we're just waiting on Ryan. There he is.
Oh my god, look at it. It's not fair. Good move, huh? It's just a handgun. Oh my god.
Got a fucking SOCOM?
What they don't know is that I haven't played in 2 years.
Why didn't you shoot me? You have weapons?
I'm out of ammo, dude.
Oh, you're a psychopath.
Yeah, it's not that he gave up, it's because he ran out of
Yeah, that makes sense. I was like, why didn't you shoot me? I was like, I shot him like 7 times and I was like, you didn't shoot me one time.
That's when you gotta pull out the knife and do the fucking...
Melee's only. Yeah, he lit my ass up, yo.
That was crazy.
I still want to see Bart and Joe. One on each side. We're all on the tower. Oh, that's tight.
All right, just me against him? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Are you ready? Yeah. I think I got hit in the head. Switch sides? Yeah, no, I think
Best of 3.
I need a break. Give me a break.
Oh, dude, I'm dead. That was good. Holy smokes, man, I can't even breathe. That was wild. Me and Ryan used to go every Wednesday for like a 6 months straight. That was so fun.
Everyone versus Ryan Real Guns.
Real guns.
He doesn't
even say it, he just walks.
Juggernaut mode. Juggernaut mode.
This is like the best like cardio though. Because you just go run it. Yeah, you run it back and back. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
What's your Project N1.
Project N1. Go check it out here in El Monte. Have a lot of fun with your friends.
You guys ready? It's all right. Live grenade! Live grenade! Live grenade!
Shit.
Hey, yo!
Jesus Christ!
There's no way that's legal. Oh, we use
Yo!
That goes up in game?
Yeah, that goes off.
You guys are wild.
What is that? It's like a dummy. It's just a sound grenade. Can you use that during a game? It's fucking awesome.
Alright, one more round. One more round. Only grenade. Only grenade.
Grenades only, dude.
That'd be pretty crazy. You guys will lose. I know where the grenades are now. You guys will lose.
Dude, I've been watching JK since like they used to do the songs back then. Like, what song was it? Every day. I don't know if you guys remember that. When they used to be the uncles back then. And then, so I was like in junior high. And up to now, I'm still watching you guys. I watch JK News when I'm at work. I'm a floor layer, so I've been installing my carpet. And I'll be listening to you guys in my podcast. That makes my day go by way quicker, dude. It's been cool seeing you guys since I was a kid, dude. And honestly, this made my day so much.
Dude, thanks for having us, man.
I wish I was here for the event, dude. I wish I was here reffing. This is cool, dude. Like, this honestly probably made my year.
Dude, thanks, man.
You guys are welcome to hang out as long as you
Y'all wanna go eat?
This right here is called beef chow fun. Because when you chow, you have a lot of fun.